This is the Pfaff 130 that I'm selling. I'm doing this with one hand, so please excuse me. There's one line. Okay, let's go in reverse. Okay, I'm going to show you the controller. You can go with a slower speed and moves right along when you want it to. These are small stitches. Okay, hold on. And now I'm going to use the what do you call it? Zigzag. Set it at about a little bit above 1. Okay, now I'm going to show it working the zigzag starting with a single stitch. Then I'm going to put the zigzag at about halfway. Okay, that didn't really show you how it was working. There's a zigzag and a little smaller. Put it where, make it a little bit smaller. Little bit smaller. This is at a smaller setting. This is at the largest setting. And I'm using a different color thread underneath. So anyhow, this is a zigzag and a straight stitch machine. It's a pretty good machine. I hate to get rid of it, but I'm getting another machine, Pfaff 30, and I prefer the 30 because I really don't plan on using the zigzag. Okay, let's give you a long stitch, like a basting stitch. Okay. Let's go downward. Now, let's put her about a 3. Sorry. This is just a demonstration, so like I said, I'm using one hand, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. Right now I don't have the machine in the case that's coming with it, so it probably wouldn't move around as much if it was in that. Okay. That's the demonstration. Like I said, it's different color on the back. Let me take this off so you can look at the material. Hang on a second. Just a second while I cut the thread. This is the front of the stitches. I don't know if you can see it real close. This is the back of the stitches, which it was done in a different color. And it's a good machine. So, whoever purchases it, I hope they enjoy it.